Introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Speedy Boy Apope.
Malakihan na ito no? Mukhang malalaki na, no?
Malaki na, 139 eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring,
Mas malaki.
Roderick
malalaki na.
Heros.
Mabibigat na mga kamahon nito, no? Balisteros.
Our judges will be Elmer Paloma, Gregorio Ortega, Danilo Lopez. Our third man in the ring course is Samir.
Malalaking tao na ito.
Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow. Welcome to the 50th anniversary of Trilla in Manila. In coordination with International Boxing Association, Philippine Sports Commission, and Smart Araneta Coliseum. All professional boxing bouts are sanctioned by the Games and Amusement Board. GAB Chairman, Attorney Francisco Rivera, GAB Commissioner, Attorney Manuel Plaza III, and Mr. Angel Bautista, who is here beside me, and Chief of Boxing and Contact Sports, Mr. Rodil Manao. Ringside
Malaking tao na, no?
Dr. Clark Fernandez and Dr. Noel Apa. As the bell rings, Kim Gangan, timekeeper, Romulo Santiago. Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is for the Philippine Youth Lightweight Championship. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 133.8 pounds. He has a record of 6 wins, 1 loss, 4 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of ARQ Boxing Gym, Cebu City. Ladies and gentlemen, Speedy Boy Apope. Apope. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 133.8 pounds. He has a record of 5 wins, no loss.
Mga bata pa, no? 21 anyos.
4 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Ballesteros Boxing Stable, Malasique, Pangasinan. Ladies and gentlemen, Roderick Ballesteros. Judges at ringside, Elmo Paloma, Gregorio Ortega, Danilo Lopez.
Malalaking bata na ito.
No?
Malalaking tao na.
This will be 8 rounds of professional boxing.
Pero kunti pa lang laban niya, 5 pa lang eh. Matatangka dito.
bata.
21 anyos, no?
Bata ko, bata. Tinigi.
23 naman tong puti.
Wala. Malakas pa rin ang kalaban niya. Pili, bagsak talaga yan siya.
Malulutong na ang mga suntok nila, oh.
Kamay niya.
Tignan mo mga suntok ko, lalakas ano? Ilan ba eh? Walo lang. Ayos, taas.
Umaga pa.
Oh! Ayun na! Ayun na! Oh, lumawak sa lubid!
Kapit eh.
Umawak sa lubid!
Ayun na, masakit sabi niya eh.
Oh, iba! Ay, puta, malakas pala ito si Kwan! Oh! Malakas pala! Kumakabit sa lubid, oh! No? Kumakabit sa lubid. Sulit kung pumukul, oh! Naku po! Aray ko!
Kasi,
Oh!
masakit eh. Patay mo. Tabawi ko rin.
Malakas!
Relax na yan. Relax na yan. Gusto niya sa punta kanila sa Uyenas. Oo, may din.
Ang lang yan. Kayang-kaya sa lakas, bro. Shoot! Malakas itong taga Pangasinan, malakas to.